Hi, good day all. Welcome to our new course of Practical Finance. You're gonna love it. It is a course to make you fall in love with finance. First of all, I would like to speak about myself. My name is Arturo Camacho. I was born and still reside in Caracas, Venezuela. I studied electronic engineers about 35 years ago, and for a fortunate reason, or let's call it fortuitous events, and thanks to Herbalife, yes, Herbalife, believe it or not, the budget and planning manager of BellSouth International company here in Venezuela was resigning because he was doing very well selling Herbalife products. So they offered me that position with almost no knowledge in finance, which I accepted. I took the challenge. So I started studying by myself. I took several courses and did a specialization in finance while at the position. And mainly the day-by-day work in the position for more than 13 years helped me gather my knowledge, and more than that, it helped me discover those tips and tricks that are needed to make easier working in finance. And after those years of Excel and more Excel, I discovered my second passion, Excel macros. Visual Basic. I began to love process automations and make my worksheets run. After around 14 years, when BellSouth International disappears, the president of the company decides to buy a small telecom company here in Venezuela and offers me to join their acquisition team. So we then began a quite long due diligence process, which took around 6 months, and then we bought the company, and I started working there for another 14 more years. And here I am, an electronic engineer, almost a wizard in finance and Excel, hoping to transmit my knowledge to those of you who are interested. Okay, so what are we going to learn in this course? First of all, basic terms, especially the time value of money. Then we will have a special chapter about formulas, but not all formulas, those special formulas that we need in the business cases. Not only showing the formulas, we will derive the formulas so you can understand where everything comes from, and especially the famous multiplier, a formula that I thought I created, but then I found out that it was created already. But I will show you how to derive that useful formula. Then business cases, dashboard or control room. You're gonna love this chapter. And it's not just one chapter. I think there's gonna be like 3 or 4 or maybe 5 chapters about business case, because we're gonna build a business case from scratch. And not only from scratch, we will add some macros too. Then sensitivity analysis, a very important part of the business case that helps understand which assumptions affects the results and how much they do. It's a very important part of the business case. And last but not least, tips and tricks. One special chapter that will show you some samples and some Excel macros that will help you make your finance work easier. Okay, so stay with us. You're gonna love this course. Now, and please subscribe. That way you will know when the next chapter is available. Thank you.